My name is Mike Krause. I'm from Atrium Management Company. I'm a partner there. We're based out of Orlando, Florida. We're currently in Tampa, Orlando, and Gainesville in the Central Florida area. And we have been using Property Meld since 2018. We had built up a backlog of work orders that weren't closed out. And the real issue that we were having trouble with was getting vendors to follow up with the residents and then the residents to follow up with the vendors. There was always the finger pointing. We saw that Property Meld was going to all but eliminate that, and we've never looked back since. There's a number of tools within Property Meld that help you. Not only can you communicate through the system to owners, but vendors can also share pictures, which are then attached to those work orders, or as Property Meld calls them, Melds. The owner of the property can see those pictures right within the Meld system. Once a job's been completed, it's very nice for an owner to see what they paid for. First of all, our industry is so collaborative. We're always willing to help, and I've been helped along the way by a lot of people who are further down the road, and it shaved years off my business. So if there's anybody out there that has any hesitation about starting with Property Meld, I truly do think it will help anybody, no matter where they are in the process of their business, if you're primarily in the business of managing single family or small multifamily buildings. Since we implemented Property Meld, we've gone from probably somewhere in the 700 door range to right around 2,700 doors across our portfolio right now.